Hey guys, Troy here. This is Hope Has a Name by River Valley Worship in the original key of A. I've received a lot of requests for this song, so I went ahead and tackled it. And what I did, as usual, is took the guitar parts, threw them in a blender, and out came what hopefully is an effective way to play it with one lead guitar player. So the first like half of the song is exactly as it's played, the right notes anyways. I had to kind of capo it and modify one of the guitar parts because I think it's actually played differently on a different set of strings. But since I combined the parts, I had to capo and make a compromise there. But toward the end, the original guitar track actually stays with that arpeggiated picking pattern at the end when the song's like really building. And that works for them great because they have strings and lots of layers of synth and stuff happening in that song. I know if we played it at church, we wouldn't have all those strings and the layers. We'd have good, strong synth and maybe a couple string parts, but not anything crazy like they have going on. So what I did is I actually wrote a guitar part that weaves in and out of the string part on the original song. So it kind of like nods to it a little bit. And that's where a lot of the notes are coming from. So I figured that might be a nice way to do it on guitar to kind of borrow some parts from the string line. So I hope that's helpful for you if you're looking for maybe a different idea toward the end on what to do on this song. Grab my phone here really quick. I just want to read the words. They're great. And it's always awesome when a worship team sticks to orthodoxy and they don't try to make up new words to describe God or use words that aren't in the Bible to describe God. This song is biblical. It's sound. It's fantastic. So here's the last verse of this song. It says, "There'll be a day, my hope complete. Now home in glory, your face I'll see. My pain no more, my fear will cease. I bow my life, I fix my eyes on Christ my King." And at the time of recording this video, our church is going through a trial, a big one. And that promise that one day all the pain, all the sorrow will be gone when we see Jesus face to face. But until then, we bow our lives and we fix our eyes on Christ our King. During the war that's happening now, our allegiance is to Him. We bow our lives to Him. We submit to His will because He is good, He is holy, He is perfect and righteous. So I hope that's an encouragement to you. If you're watching this, please pray for our church. I'm not going to get specific about anything on the video, but I'd love for you to pray for us. Just keep our leadership in your prayers, and I just really appreciate that, brothers and sisters out there. Again, love you guys. If you guys want the tablature and the pedal board shot and the explanation of tones and that kind of stuff, that's over at guitarforhisglory.com. So you can check that out if you'd like. Otherwise, hope you enjoy the playthrough of Hope Has a Name by River Valley Worship.